WeCP lets you assess a Salesforce developer on their hands-on expertise with Salesforce. Let's see how it works. After you send a Salesforce assessment to the candidate, candidates open the assessment on the browser. On the left side of your window, you are given a problem statement where you have to write a Salesforce object query language to fetch contacts that belong to the same account, and the amount on the contact needs to be summed up, where the contact type should be manual. You have to implement the code in contact sum CLS file. You can find this file on the right side of your window inside the Force app folder. You can see that there is an incomplete code stub, which we have to complete. Let's complete our code. You can see now I have completed this code. Here I have written the required query and created a class to reuse my query. Let's test and submit our code against the provided test cases. You can see our code has passed all the test cases, which shows that our implementation is correct. Hence, we have completed our Salesforce assessment.